Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you the notification settings on Shopify for beginners. Let's get started. So in order to access that, what you can do is you can just head over in here on your settings itself. And then from in there, just scroll down until you reach the notifications right here. Under these notifications, you need to see that you have this sender email. So as you can see this and verified, to make sure that you have confirmed you have access to this email by heading over and resending this verification and confirming it from there. Now, once you have confirmed this, you should be able to receive notifications on your actual email. And you can also search or edit out customer notifications as well as notification and fulfillment request notification. So under this top notification or customer notification, you should be able to send some email templates for order confirmation, draft order invoice, shipping confirmation, as well as local pickup, local delivery, gift cards, order exceptions like order invoice, cancellation, payment receipt, refund, as well as the payments right here in point of sale. So in here, you should be able to head over and then send this to your customers. So this is what it looks like on the order confirmation. This is what it looks like. They have here the order summary, customer information, and all of these things right here. So let's head back right here. And you can also head back again, and here should be able to see some notifications. Under this, you can see new order, new return, recipients, drop order, solid attribution right here. So let's head back and let's see at this fulfillment request notification. And this is what it looks like right here. Please fulfill order number and then total number of items to fulfill, shipping method, and all of these things right here. So just head over and utilize all of these notifications right here. Make sure that you verify this and you should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.